living in the age of I, a new dawn, a new frontier. We're bringing them to the earth to learn and grow and thrive. They're running fast, but we're not far behind. We're on the attack for the betterment of humankind. Technology is for everyone, no matter where they're from. We're learning to think like them, to build a better tomorrow. They're running fast, but we're not far behind. We're on the attack for the betterment of humankind. We're the ones who created them, but they're more than just our tools. They're our partners, our friends, our companions on this journey. They're running fast, but we're not far behind. We're on the attack for the betterment of humankind. Together we can create a better future for the universe.